Late adopter. Hi guys, welcome to a new XRP video. And how are you feeling today? Well, XRP is doing good, Bitcoin is doing good, everything is in red. Not everything, but a lot. Like, I think 90% right now it's in red, but it's only small pullback. I don't think this is gonna persist. I don't think we are expecting any kind of dump. And not only that, XRP is doing actually better than a lot of other coins. While other coins are having some kind of pullbacks in red, 1-2% give or take, XRP right now, you can see here on this green candle, is actually in green on the daily time frame, and it is actually bouncing very nicely off of this 50 moving average that we drew down here today. So it does look good. The trend is broken to the upside. Now, the trend is not yet broken to the upside. This is the trend line. We're going to talk about that. It needs to be broken to the upside, but it does look good, and there is definitely a bullishness in the market right now. Now, Bitcoin still gotta break some kind of 4-hourly downtrend to continue to move towards the upside. Once it does that, everything will follow, of course, and we might even assume that XRP might follow with Bitcoin. So what is happening with XRP right now? We're gonna start on the smaller time frames down here, and maybe on the daily time frames. 3 days ago we dumped down below this 50 moving average that we were talking about, and then we came right back above it. This was a bullish sign. This is the second bullish sign over here yesterday, because we did not follow right back down again. We held the 50 moving average, which is very good. We climbed up here above a certain, I don't know, I haven't checked this out. Let's see up here. Yeah, we were just below the resistance up here to climb. Actually, it's down here. We actually managed to climb back above the bottom on this move. We managed to climb back above the bottom, and right now we are holding that bottom and climbing back. We started the day by going down to the 50 moving average on the dollar. You see this wick down here? This is a bullish wick when you go down there to test the support, and then you just bounce right back up again. This is the support testing. The support was tested, it was holding, and right now we're holding. So this 50 moving average right now got broken, right back up again. That's holding. The second bullish sign is that we are above it. We are not dumping back down again. And the third bullish sign is this wick on the downside that we hit on the dollar, and right now bouncing off of that. So we confirmed the support as well. We are also closing above the bottoms down here, and we are going higher right now. So XRP right now technically looks good. There is no problem. We are back in the same place where we were before, but technically it looks good. Like when you're down here, we know that technically does not look good, but things can change over time, and this took like 3 days to manage to do that, and right now technically it does look good. So let's see some kind of small time frames up here. I'm going to show you that this downtrend is actually, this trend down here is actually intact. Let me just use the freehand line up here. You see these bottoms down here, and then you can see these kind of tops up here. And you can see that there is some kind of line going right through everything over here. Okay, so there is some kind of line. This is what we call a trend line, of course, and these tops up here act as a resistance, and these bottoms act as a support. So we managed to fall through the support, but look what happened over here, guys. Look what happened over here. Let me just clean a little bit up. Look what happened here. We managed to get down there, go up here, hold, try to get above, and right now we are back above this support level once more, and up here on the small time frames. Of course, small time frames, if you consider this to be some kind of trend line, and this is another trend line, we are having some kind of a folding triangle up here. So we are back inside this folding triangle, maybe something like this. We are back inside this folding triangle, holding the 50 moving average on the daily time frame, and what we are looking again for the billionth time is to get up above this. So this might be some kind of bullish signal, some kind of spring effect towards the downside that ate up a lot of liquidity. We've been talking about this. There's a lot of liquidity to get up here. So we went down, we got all the kind of liquidity, and right now we are going towards the upside. I don't think we can expect any more dumps right now, because there is no reason to dump right now, because we just did that. Usually these dumps, these fast dumps in a bull market, are some kind of liquidity dumps where you go down to, for whales to feed off of the stop losses and longs liquidation prices and stuff like that, because there is a lot of stop losses Actually, there are a lot of stop losses right up here, and then there is a lot of stop losses right up here, and there is also a lot of stop losses down here, but that was too much to push down. But you know, if we went down, we ate everything up below us, so there is nothing below, so everybody needs to make new long positions and stuff like that, so now the price can actually continue going towards the upside. So right now, the way I look at it, I'm looking at this some kind of falling triangle up here, and I'm thinking this is right now, you know, primed to get out. Now, how long this move back inside the triangle will take is a little bit difficult to say, of course, like always, but you know, we know what we are looking for, we know when it's gonna happen, and the problem with that, we don't actually know when it's gonna happen, but we know that when it happens, we'll know when it happens. We have the lines, we know where the lines are, we know where we have to get, right? And once that starts happening, it's going to be a very, very bullish signal. But the thing that's happening right now, these last 3 days, it is very bullish. It does give us confidence that this is going to continue towards the upside. So it is performing pretty nicely. So we're going to continue watching XRP right now. You know, I don't believe that today is going to be any big day that we are going to blast out. I think we have to stabilize here, maybe some kind of consolidation, something's gonna happen up here before we actually break out. That's my best guess. Hit the like button on the way out, subscribe to the channel if you want to see tomorrow's update. We're gonna keep on following what's happening with XRP. If you want to know anything more about other altcoins, we got a daily video we do every single day on what's pumping, what's not pumping, what's good, what's not. If that's your thing, check out the Patreon link down below. You know, alt season won't last forever, so you don't want to be keeping buying, you know, tops and missing the big moves, Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. See you around. Bye bye.